Alright, so this is my demo for the COVID check counter. It's my final project for Intro to Robotics for spring 2021. And it's basically a computer vision program uh, that could be put in a camera in a room, like a restaurant or store. And it basically just counts how many people are in the store or in the room. And then it checks if the number is okay with the guidelines of whatever facility that is. So it's just an idea I had to just stay safe during COVID times, and yeah, I thought it could be cool to implement. So I'm basically importing everything I need, including OpenCV, image utils, and NumPy. Then I'm setting the path for the train network, which is a mobile net SSD. It's a network I'll be using. It's pretty much already trained to identify a bunch of these different objects like airplanes, bicycles, purses, whatever, trains. So it can do a lot of things. Then we have this tracker. This basically it comes from a different class. It's basically to resolve when there's rectangles of like two people in front of each other. To resolve like how long you should consider it two rectangles and things like that. This also deals with the overlapping of the rectangles. Here in the main is pretty much where we are capturing our video, are loading the video. Then these are the counts of the people in the frame and the overall count. Then we have an object list where we're going to put each different object that is returned. So that way we keep count of people. And here inside of my while true is when I'm getting frame by frame inside of the video. I'm reframing it and resizing it to put it in the right format to be passed to the network, which is what we're doing here. Then this over here is where we're getting all the data, which is a vector with all the different objects that were detected in the image. And then over here we're checking if the confidence is enough. Then we are gonna pretty much draw a rectangle around it and say that's a person. Yeah, over here that's what I'm doing. And then on here I have the count, the overall count, and the people in the frame count. Then I have here is where I check if the number of people in the frame is COVID safe. And then I just print stuff to the window itself. So here I'm about to just run this for you guys. So here we can see it tells us how many people are in the frame, how many people have been counted overall. And then over here it tells us if we're above capacity, at capacity, or if we're in a safe space for COVID. I think right now I have it set at like 3 people or something, just because that's why I work better with the video. But yeah, pretty much it detects how many people are in the frame, and then it determines if it's safe, if we're at capacity, or if we're over capacity. So